visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Aquarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April of 22nd to April the 30th. I keep on saying February. I don't know what's with the February. But then again, this is for April 22nd to the 30th. Para po sa mga bago, gusto ko ipaalam sa inyo na meron po tayong kabilang channel. Yun po ay Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ay ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Doon po tayo nagla-live and kung gusto niyo po, pwede po kayong sumali doon. Dedicated po yun sa ating international audience, katulad ng sinabi ko. Pwede naman kayo sumali, you're very much welcome. Pero kung hindi nyo po yun maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable no, ng yes or no. So, Aquarius, gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na this is a general reading. Pwedeng mag-resonate sa inyo yung buong reading na ito. Pwedeng konti lang. Take what's only yours. Again, this is general. Gusto ko pong humingi ng tawad dahil medyo na-late tayo. Kapag bahal na araw, alam niyo po yung mga spiritual practitioner pumupunta ng ibang lugar para meditate, do their rituals. So, ayan. Medyo hindi ko po na-manage yung time. Pero babawi po ako next month, no? Magsimula na tayo, Aquarius. So, nakikita natin dito, chances are, meron dito mga hindi nag-uusap or hindi nag-aaminan, no? Ng tunay na nararamdaman. Pwedeng ito doon sa mga may crushes or no labels. So, or situationship. Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, oo, gusto kita, gusto mo rin ako, pero hindi natin napag-uusapan ano bang klaseng relasyon meron tayo. And I think that this is not needed kasi nakikita naman, no? May reciprocation. And I feel like kung ano yung energy na ibinibigay, yun din yung natatanggap. It just so happened, medyo may hirap yung ganitong sitwasyon dahil Aquarius, medyo, paano na yan? Kunyari kapag kailangan mo is it really needed para magselos? Or what if natitrigger tayo para magselos? Hindi natin pwedeng gawin yon dahil again, baka masabihan tayo. Wala namang tayo. Sakit, di ba? So, paano yan? Kaya nga, ang sinasabi natin dito, no, meron kayong pagkakaintindihan, pero hindi nyo alam kung saan napapunta ito. Siguro ang bilis din ng takbo ng relationship. With the Devil card in here, the Page of Wands, and the Moon card. So, ang nakikita ko dito, pwede rin dito pumasok ang third-party situation. I feel like merong nag-i-stalk, no? Palaging tumitingin sa Facebook or social media accounts. It could be Instagram, what have you, no? Lagi itong naka-stalk. And I feel like hindi niya ginagamit yung kanyang totoong account. So, someone are using their dummy accounts to sneak on someone. This could be you, this could be your person, no? Pwedeng mag-interchange itong positions, no, ng characters. What I'm reading is the dynamic. So sabihin natin with the Devil card clarified by the Two of Swords and the Eight of Wands. So for those who are in a relationship, I feel like magkahiwalay na kasi kayo. So meron separations. So parang sinabi dito, since we are in separations, hindi na rin naman kasi magmamatter kung nag-uusap pa tayo, 'di ba? And I don't think that it's necessary for us to have a conversation. So, iba-block na lang kita. So, ang nakita ko dito, yung isa naman, ikaw pa rin naman yung gusto ko, ikaw pa rin yung mahal ko. So, what I wanted in here is, sana makausap kita to give some clarity. Kasi marami pa ditong mga nakahanging questions, no? Nakahanging questions, marami pa rin gustong sabihin, marami pa rin gustong i-clarify. So, parang hindi pa tayo tapos, ang puso ko ay nasa sayo pa rin. And I also feels like itong sitwasyon na ito, chances are, nangyayari ito sa mga hindi klaro, yung bigla ang pag-aaway, no? All of a sudden, kasi there's parang abrupt actions or reactions na parang, sige na, ayoko na, no? Tumayo na lang sa isang tabi or nag-walk out. With the Four of Wands, the Tower, and the Death card, I feel like this happened sa setting sa loob ng bahay or hindi ito sa outdoor. It could be itong setting na ito ay nangyari sa what? Sinehan, mall, basta napapaloob sa mga pader, no? I'm also seeing in here na itong yung away ha, yung away, yung pino-point out ko, hindi siya nangyari dun sa outdoor, hindi siya nangyari sa park, no? With the desk card in here, parang sandali, nag-walk out ka, hindi mo lang ako nabigyan, parang hindi ako nabigyan ng chance para makapag-explain. No, nung habang siguro, during the separation, naka-block na ako agad. So, with the Five of Cups and the Four of Pentacles, oy, nagsasorry naman, and I feel like, kung sino man itong na-block, no, I think that meron din ditong biro, and I am not going to be surprised kung full card or the full card, no, lalabas. Kasi I feel like meron ditong biro na nasabi na trigger yung isa, and I feel like, oh, hindi naman yung totoo, no? And I think that meron ditong sinasabi din si person na hindi yun yung minimean ko. So, nagkaroon ng misunderstanding or misinterpretation. So, with the Seven of Swords, the Five of Wands, and the Six of Swords, siguro tinukso, sumakay naman yung isa, no? Siguro, here's the thing, nagselos. So, with the Seven of Swords, this might be a sneaky behavior kasi at doon nagsimula. Oy, parang ang ganda nun, or sino yung katabi mo, and then nag-joke yung isa, sinakyan naman, no? Parang pinagselos. Eh, hindi maganda yung dating. Parang doon nagsimula yung away kasi with the Hermit and the Eight of Cups. So, parang nawala dito yung wisdom, no? Parang nawala din dito yung mga pinagsamahan kasi parang na-trigger right there and then. Parang, oh, mag-aalis na lang ako. I think na meron ditong sobrang seloso or sobrang selosa, no? Let's get some message, no, from the universe. Kasi nakakakita ko dito ng hindi naman ito katapusan ng relationship. I feel like nagkaroon lang talaga ng misunderstanding. And I am seeing enlightenment is going to show up, especially the Death card and the Hermit card shows up. So magkakaroon talaga ng enlightenment dito, no? With the Five of Swords, the Six of Pentacles, and the Seven of Pentacles. Someone is waiting behind, you know, if someone closed the door, someone might be on the other, on the other side and waiting. So parang sasabi, nag-aantay lang ako dito, please i-unblock mo na ako, please kausapin mo na ako, hindi ko na uulitin. Now with the Six of Pentacles, I feel like ibigay mo sa akin kung ano yung mga ayaw mo. I feel like kailangan kong i-memorize yun. All of a sudden, hindi ko matanggap na ganito yung nangyari sa atin. So I feel like kailangan kong ayusin ang mga bagay-bagay, pero one thing's for sure, mahal pa rin kita, no? So yun yung nakikita ko dito, Aquarius. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, again, ipapaalala ko sa inyo, doon po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo doon. Pero kung hindi nyo po maabutan, doon po tayo sa, magtanong kayo dito sa comment section, no? As long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no, nasagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Now, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Virgo, Sagittarius. Virgo is very dominant. Pisces, Leo, Capricorn is here. Scorpio is here. Cancer is also here. Yan. Especially Capricorn, no? Parang yun yata ang unang card. So, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste po and see you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye!